Can I actually become a successful scholar by building my own personal brand? I'm going to try and find out. As a scholar, you might think that personal branding is only for influencers or business owners, but that's not entirely true. Having a personal brand can be a game changer for academics like you, helping you stand out in a crowded field and making your research more visible to the right people. Many scholars struggle with limited visibility, making it tough to get their work noticed. You might be producing high-quality research, but if no one knows about it, it's hard to make an impact. Plus, with so many researchers in your field, it can be difficult to stand out and be remembered. And let's not forget the challenge of translating your research into real-world applications that resonate with people outside of academia. These challenges can be frustrating, especially when you feel like you're doing great work, but not getting the recognition you deserve. You might even start to wonder if you're cut out for this academic thing. But here's the thing, you have the power to change your situation. By building a personal brand, you can take control of your narrative and showcase your research in a way that resonates with your audience. So what does it take to build a scholarly personal brand? It starts with defining your niche, what makes your research unique and valuable. From there, you need a consistent online presence, whether that's through LinkedIn, Twitter, or a personal website. And it's not just about having a presence, it's about communicating your research in a way that's clear, concise, and compelling. Your online presence should reflect your brand and values, making it easy for people to find and understand your work. This might take some time to set up, but it's worth it in the long run. Effective communication is key to getting your research noticed, so focus on crafting a message that resonates with your audience. Let's talk about a scholar who did just that. There was a researcher in the field of environmental science who was struggling to get his work noticed. He decided to build a personal brand, focusing on Twitter and a personal website. He shared his research, engaged with his audience, and collaborated with other experts in his field. And then something clicked. He landed a major grant and was able to expand his research in a meaningful way. The turning point for him was when he realized that his personal brand wasn't just about self-promotion. It was about sharing his expertise and making a difference. He started to see himself as a thought leader in his field, and that confidence boost made all the difference. He began to receive more recognition, and his research started to have a real-world impact. The moral of the story is that building a personal brand can have a profound impact on your career as a scholar. You don't have to be an influencer or a business owner to benefit from having a strong online presence. In conclusion, having a personal brand as a scholar can empower you to control your narrative and amplify your research impact. It's not just about getting more visibility, it's about making a meaningful difference in your field. If you're interested in building your own personal brand, I'd love to hear your thoughts on the topic in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on academic success, and check out our video on effective academic networking for more strategies to boost your career.